Are you sitting comfortably? Great. In that case, please fold your arms in the way that feels most natural to you. Done it? Excellent. Now fold your arms the other way, with the opposite hand on top. How are you getting on? For most people, it feels unnatural and they have to pause and think about it. Imagine you've just joined an organization where everyone folds their arms in a different way to you. In order to really connect with others, get your opinions heard and do your job, you need to think twice and work harder than you normally do. This is what it feels like when you're part of a minority or you're not in the dominant group. Have you ever experienced being different or on the outside? Perhaps at school, trying to fit into the in crowd. If so, you'll know about the kinds of emotions it gives rise to. Sadness, isolation, anger, frustration maybe. And yet, businesses across the world are opening their eyes to the value of difference or diversity. We don't just mean the usual lineup of gender, age, ethnicity, sexual identity, and disability. We're talking about all of the ways we can be different. The way you dress, your thinking preferences, your approach to problem solving, or even your personality style. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? Diverse perspectives enable organizations to be more creative and innovative, better at problem solving, and be able to make more effective decisions about their people. But there's no point in having a lot of diverse people if we don't create an environment where they can thrive, do their best work, and be valued and recognized.